Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm adding sublimation to this sequin star that I found at the Dollar Tree. For just $1, these are awesome to personalize however you like. I also made a video showing how to do this with Cricut infusible ink on a stocking and a tree from the Dollar Tree. I'll link that video down below as well. And if you are new to my channel, I do a lot of Cricut videos and crafting videos, and I've been throwing in some sublimation ones as well. So I would love it if you subscribe to my channel if you are new, and let's get into the video. I'm in Silhouette Studio and I am going to upload my image. I'll click on File and Open. Then I'm just going to find my image and double click on it. All of these sublimation images are huge files, so it goes extremely slow in Silhouette Studio. I don't know if any of the other programs goes this slow, and it pulls it in really big. So I'm just going to speed this part up so you don't have to watch me do this part. Okay, it pulled up. I'm going to select it, which is going to load for a while also. I'm going to zoom out further. Now I am going to just zoom this in. Then I'll just slide this over and I'll make it even smaller. I'm also going to go up to this little plus sign, click that, it's fit to window, so it'll pull it back where it's bigger. Okay, I have it fitting within my paper. I want the width to be 4 inches, and as you can see here, it says 6.491. So I'm just going to bring this in some more until it gets to around 4 inches. I just went up to my width. I hit lock so that it would keep the same dimensions, and I clicked 4 up there to make it a little bit easier. Now I'm ready to print, so I'll select the print button. Then I'll come down here and hit print. I'm going to switch it to my sublimation printer, and I'm going to go to last use settings, and I'm just going to double check my settings. So I'm going to go where it says layout, and I am going to go to my print settings. And I have premium presentation, paper matte, high quality, and mirror image, which is exactly what I want. And then now I'll just go to my color options. Actually, I want to go to color matching, and I have Cosmo ink, so now I'm ready to hit print. I'm using A-Sub paper for my sublimation paper, and the printer I'm using is the Epson EcoTank 2760. I have some videos showing how I got my printer all set up and my settings that I can link down in my description box if you are interested in that. I placed my paper in the printer, and as you can see, when it prints out, it printed on the wrong side. You want the image on the blank side. I always seem to forget which way to put my paper in the tray, so I really need to make a note and just tape it to my printer. I also want to mention that I turned my fast speed printing off in my settings on my computer just to help it print better as well. I cut around the design, but I don't like to do straight cuts because sometimes the line can show up on your material after you press it. So I just follow along the design with my scissors, and that works really well. I set my Cricut Easy Press to 400 degrees at 50 seconds. This setting worked really well, and you can also use any heat press for this. The setting might change a little. Here's my sequin star from the Dollar Tree. If you flip it, it switches to gold. I decided to add my design on the silver side. I make sure that all of the sequins are facing the same way on that silver side before adding my sublimation. Then I grab a lint roller and roll that over my material. I place my design face down and add heat resistant tape around the whole thing. I sometimes go a little tape crazy, but I like to make sure it's going to stay down really well. Also, before adding your sheet on, you're going to want to preheat your sequin pillow. You'll want to add butcher paper and either your Cricut Easy Press or heat press over it and just run it over it for a couple seconds. I did that, but I must have lost the footage because it's not on here, so I just wanted to mention that. Now I just add butcher paper on top and the Easy Press on top of that and press it down for the full time. You'll want to hold the press in place and not move it around. I wait for it to cool down, then I remove the tape and the sheet. Here's how it turned out. It's really neat how well sublimation works on these sequins. I feel like that pink in the background didn't turn out super great. I would prefer to just have the trees and the wording on there, but I still think it turned out really neat. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I would also love it if you subscribed if you are new to my channel.